Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I want to take a moment to thank all of you that have subscribed, comment in the videos and watch the videos. It really means a lot to me, so thank you so much. This is a very exciting day for me as I bought my very first oscilloscope. This will be an unboxing and small review video. I am a total noob as far as oscilloscopes go, so let's get on it. There was a Black Friday sale and I went ahead and bought it. I have not opened it, saved it for this video. Let's take a look what we get inside. Oh, so there is a box within the box. Let me take that out. So here is the box. We have this nice protective tape. I bought this from the European Rigol eShop and it was posted from Germany. It took quite a bit of time to post it and to receive it for me. I will put the text how long was that, as I don't remember now. And sorry, I bumped the camera. And we get this very nice and sturdy box. Here are the warranty, maybe some instructions, no, and here is the scope. Delta power supply, that's excellent, very well known brand. Cable for the power supply and 1, 2, 3, 4 probes. Excellent. I will try to power this thing up. Let me take the box out of here. And here we are. Wow, that is nice. So I went with the 800 series, the 4-channel DHO 804. So it is a 4-channel 70 MHz oscilloscope. I think it does not have the external trigger that the 2-channel one has. USB Joby on the front, of course warranty sticker, and at the back we get LAN connection, USB, HDMI, and of course the power supply, which is USB-C. Oh, legs feel very nice, but it stands also like that very well. Let me get the power adapter and fire it up. So we get a nice European plug, and as we said in the starter, Delta power supply. Can we read the output? It is 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, or 20 volts 3 amps, 65 watts. So wow, here is a nice update. They changed the USB-C port that it locks here like that, so it does not stress the USB-C port on the motherboard. That's a very nice feature. Yeah, that is very nice. So good job there, they took care of that. So let's try to see how long it takes to boot up. So about 55 seconds, that is a bit long actually, but yeah, I think it's something I can get used to it. The screen looks absolutely amazing live here. Let's connect a probe and do a couple of measurements. So these are the supplied probes, model number PVP3150. It is at 1x 150 volts and at 10x 300 volts cat 2. Now the first measurement I would like to do is with these LM2596S ICs. If you go and buy this IC alone, it costs around €5. But if you buy this module, it shouldn't cost more than $1 or €1. So I think, as Great Scott mentioned in a video, this one is probably fake. So the test I would like to do is, we're going to supply some current. We have here a 10 ohm joby. I have set this module to 5 volt output, and here with the 10 ohm resistor we are going to get about half an amp. Let's connect our probe. Here I still haven't connected the grounding cable. I switch on my power supply and it is set at 7 volts. So let's check our signal. I'm just going to press auto and see what happens. So this is the unloaded, obviously, ripple current, about 80 millivolts. I don't know if that... Okay, let's put the load on. Again, just press auto, and there we go. So with half an amp we get about 100 millivolts peak to peak. And if we add a second resistor to go to 1 amps, this is gonna get toasty. Okay, I have my power supply limiting the current now, and there we go. So same thing going here as well, and lastly oops, I pressed something. and I want to probe. Wow, resistors are really hot. And here is the coil. Change here. Very nice. Switch that off. Now here is a small brushless motor, and let's see. So I'm spinning the motor, and here are our two signals from each phase. That was noisy. Now here is a DC motor. As we know, DC motors have decoupling capacitors. But how does this visualize on the scope? So yeah, 3.5 volts at the moment, and you can see we have a spike at about 6 volts. And if we connect the capacitor, there we go. How cool is that? And finally, I have my tiny RC car, which uses a brushless motor, and I would like to visualize each phase of the motor on the scope. So let's connect our threaded scope and see how that looks. And last, I have connected its probe to its connector of the motor. We have a 2 volt per division. Now let's see this very nice implementation of the locking mechanism. So there is a locking clip here and here. You have to press this to release the plug. Many said it at the reviews and they've taken care of it. Very nice feature, and protects, of course, the motherboard. So that would be all for today. Hit the like button if you found this video interesting, and consider subscribing for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.